Hi, I'm Max, your AI assistant. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a custom dashboard in Salesforce using the 2025 guide. Let's get started. First, log in to your Salesforce organization using your username and password. Once you're on the homepage, click the app launcher icon, the grid of 9 dots in the top left corner. In the search bar, type Sales and select the Sales app from the list. This brings you to the Sales workspace. Next, look at the navigation bar at the top and click on the Dashboards tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your dashboards and folders. To keep things organized, let's create a new folder first. Click the New Folder button, usually found above the list of folders. Enter a name for your folder, such as SFDC Dashboards, and save it. This folder will help you group related dashboards together and manage access permissions easily. Now, with your new folder created, it's time to make your dashboard. Click the Create New Dashboard button, typically at the top right. In the window that appears, give your dashboard a clear name like SFDC Dashboards so it's easy to identify. For the folder option, select the SFDC Dashboards folder you just created. This ensures your dashboard is stored in the right place. Now, let's add visual components to your dashboard. On the dashboard editing screen, click the plus icon. This will open a window where you can see all your available reports. Browse or search through the list and select the report you want to use for your chart. Remember, it's best to choose a summary or matrix report for dashboards. Once you select your report, you'll see different chart options appear. Choose the chart type that best fits your data. For example, use a bar chart to compare values, a pie chart to show proportions, or a metric chart to display key numbers. After picking your chart, you can customize it by editing the chart title and labels. This makes your data easy to understand at a glance. Repeat these steps to add more components and build a dashboard that clearly shows your most important information. On the dashboard editing screen, look for the Add Filter button and click it. You'll be prompted to choose a field to filter by. For this example, let's use the Close Date field, which is especially helpful if you want to track results over different time periods. After selecting Close Date, you can give your filter a clear name, such as Close Date or select Closing Period. You'll also have the option to set a default value like current fiscal quarter or this month, so the dashboard automatically loads with data from that time frame. Users can easily change this filter to see data for any period they choose, such as last month, last year, or a custom date range. Once your filter is set up, anyone viewing the dashboard can use the drop-down at the top to adjust the time frame. For example, a development manager might want to see all opportunities that closed last quarter, while a board member might want to look at results for the entire year. This makes your dashboard much more interactive and relevant for different users. You can add more than one filter to your dashboard, giving users even more ways to customize the data they see. For example, you might add filters for both close date and opportunity owner, so users can view results for a specific time period and a specific team member at the same time. Now, let's quickly review the main types of filters you can use in Salesforce dashboards. Owner, filter data by team member or record owner. Region or territory, focus on results from specific geographic areas. Stage, view opportunities at different pipeline stages like prospecting or closed won. Record type, filter by categories such as donations, grants, or events. Other date fields, use fields like created date or last modified date to analyze activity over time. Custom fields, filter by any unique data points your organization tracks. Combining these filters lets users explore data in the way that's most useful for them, making dashboards clearer and more effective for decision-making. Once your dashboard is ready, it's important to keep the data fresh and share it with the right people. To do this, go to the drop-down menu on your dashboard and choose the option to set up a refresh schedule. You can pick how often you want your dashboard to update daily, weekly, or even multiple times a day, so your team always sees the most current information without manually refreshing. You can also use the drop-down menu to subscribe users to email updates. Just select who should receive these updates and how often. This way, your team and stakeholders get the latest dashboard insights delivered straight to their inbox, even if they don't check Salesforce every day. Finally, review your sharing settings from the same menu. You can share your dashboard with specific users, user roles, or add it to a public folder for wider access. This ensures that everyone who needs the data can see it while keeping sensitive information secure.